Good afternoon all of you. Now today we will see the chapter 1, that is Introduction to Computers. Now all of you, I am going to share the software Cordova Joyful Learning software with you. All of you listen carefully. I will explain topic wise. Okay, now I will start and listen carefully.
Chapter 1. Introduction to Computers. Introduction. A computer is made up of 4 types of devices: input devices, processing device, output devices, storage devices.
Now dear students, now see this photo on screen. That computer is made up of 4 type of devices. Some devices are input devices through which we can give the input to your computer, and one CPU is there inside that CPU box. That CPU is called as processing unit. It will process that data and it will give the output on the screen. And third type of devices are output devices. Monitor, it will give you output. जो भी कंप्यूटर के ऊपर जो हम काम कर रहे हैं वो हमें दिखाई देता है. That devices are called as output devices. Speaker हमें आवाज देते हैं, उसे हम output devices कहते हैं. And at last fourth one is storage device. For example, your hard disk in your CPU box. That hard disk is divided into 3 or 4 drives: C drive, D drive, E drive, F drive. In C drive we can install the operating system and we can use that operating system to work on that computer. Now see one by one.
Look at the diagram below showing how these devices are connected to each other to form a complete computer system. Input devices, input, processing device, output, output devices, storage devices. Let us learn about input devices, processing device, output.
Now see this diagram. First, input devices will give the input to your computer, and in that CPU box, CPU is there. It is the processing device. It will process that input data or the data available on the hard disk drive, that is storage devices. It will process and it will give the output on the output devices. For example, it will display the result on the monitor. It will give the audio songs. If you are playing the audio song from the hard disk drive, it will give the output on your speaker. If you are opening any soft copy from the storage device and you will give the output, that is printout, it will give the printout on the output device such as printer. It will show you the result on the paper. That device is called as output devices. For example, printer is output device, speaker is output device. Okay, now projector is also output device. It will give the output on the projector screen. Now see one by one we will discuss the devices.
Input devices and storage devices.
Input devices. You enter data and instructions into the computer by means of input devices. The most commonly used input devices are keyboard and mouse.
Now see these two photos you can see on the screen. These two devices are commonly used. Number of devices are there: joystick, light pen, but commonly we are using these two types of devices as an input device through which we can give the input data or instruction to your computer what to do. That devices are called as input devices. Now we can use that mouse for drawing your pictures by using different softwares, or we can use the keyboard to give the input or enter the data on your soft copies. If you are preparing any notes, you can use the keyboard. That keyboard will enter the data on that soft copy. You are typing here only on the keyboard and that data will be typed on in this soft copy. Now see one by one we will see the mouse
and mouse. A mouse is used to draw pictures and select objects and text on the computer. A keyboard is used to input your work into the computer.